Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about interactive checkbox component, or you can say interactive checkbox UI kit. So here I have started with this checkbox icon which is having the different state. So in this component having the variant of the checkbox unchecked, checked, or you can say unselected, selected, or disable, unselected, disable, selected. So now I'm going to use these icons in the main component here, which is interactive, and here the interaction is given with the unselected to selected one, and the next option is disable selected, where we will get this model, and you can see the pop-up which is a constraint message, so you can edit this while you are using this component. And in the second one, which is unselected, disabled, so the same way I have used this main component to create the final one, which is interactive checkbox component, which is having all those variants, and we can change this variant through the component property. So let's see how it is working. I will take one frame, and here in asset I have taken this checkbox. Now this is selected, and you can see here is the number of options, so you can change the number of options till 10, which I have created there, and or you can increase to just copy and paste that options in a more. So here I am taking the number of options 7, and we can edit these options, like I have given 01, 02, and here some of the values like 777. So now I'm going to change this pop-up. So while I selected this, you can see here disabled, selected, and here is the show alert. So show alert will appear like this, and here you can say this is the default value or any messages if you want to enter it. So after selecting this, you can off this toggle button, so this will disappear, and in unselected you can toggle on, and here you can say this value can't change. Now coming to the option 4 again and selecting this, and you can make this toggle off, so this will disappear. Now the another thing, if we want to make it this unselected to the selected state, just we need to change from here as a enable selected. So these all states you can change, or you can have in a single state, which is like enable selected or enable unselected. So enable selected, enable unselected, any of the state you can change easily here. Now I'm going to preview this. Now we can check uncheck this first option, and even in second option also we can check and uncheck, but we come to this, here it is showing this is the default value, and this one we can't give any action because this is the already checked and deselected, so interaction is not there, just this constraint message and interaction is given here. So the same way here also, this is the this value can't change and we can't select this, and here also it's the same. So now this I can check uncheck, this value also we can check uncheck. So this file is available in Figma community, which I will add the link in a description. You can use freely. And how is the way to create this? Please write your comment. Thank you very much.